What's up, guys? Welcome back to the SLD channel for another reaction video. All right, guys, so I'm checking out this clip of Angelina Jordan shock a old train station in London. All right, guys, yes, I guess that beautiful voice of her must have blown them away. Can't wait to check it out. All right, guys, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully that you become a part of the SLD family. Alright, guys, let's get ready to check this one out. I'll be checking it out any in a while. So let's jump into the video.
This one.
Can I sing?
Can you? Oh, she's taking off her shoes.
He left no time to regret.
Oh,
Is where with his same old same bag. In my head high, in my tears dry, in an arm without my
Angelina.
guide. We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times. You go back to her. I go back to. I go back to. I love you. Is that enough? You love low and I love her. We only said goodbye with words. I died 100 times. You go back to her and I go back. I go back to
Oh, wow. Wow, guys, that is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I did not cut and I don't have any problem with YouTube not cutting the video, but I just couldn't. I was just so amazed, guys. That was really beautiful. And like, she take off her shoes. That's the barefoot princess herself right there. And then she just get comfortable and she just surely slowly puts it down. You see everyone, some recognize her and someone like was just so shocked. And the man that like when she first built, he turned back and was like, that was surely beautiful. And the saxophone guy joining in, like, wow. And she was just so comfortable, so in her zone, like, tuning out everyone around her. You can see the true love for the music. She, right there in a public place, never rehearse or anything for it and just totally kills it. Like, wow. And he asked her if she could sing. Ooh. Okay, that was real good, guys. I totally enjoyed my first time watching this clip, and wow, you can definitely know the love that she had for the music. Okay, guys, like, wow. I'll catch you in another one, guys. I could go on and on and on and on and ramble about the barefoot princess herself. So I'll catch you in another one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.